Latest salvo fired by Anna Hazare to Rahul Gandhi, where in a letter issued by him, he slams Rahul for the no-show. Mahrukh Inayat is joining me with details of that letter. Mahrukh, it's a very clear message being sent by Anna there.
It is indeed, Tamanna. I'm holding in my hand the statement that has been sent by Anna Hazare. Essentially, it's been issued, and what is clearly said in the statement, there's one particular paragraph where there is no uncategoric or unclear message. It's very, very clear as far as Anna Hazare is concerned. He's taken the fact that his men, people from his hometown who had gone to meet Congress General Secretary, with a very clear indication given that there would be a meeting between those members and the Congress General Secretary, and not that that particular meeting not having taken place has been taken as a personal affront by Anna Hazare. He says in this particular statement, which is about 2 pages long, he says that I, in fact, sent them there because they came to me, they consulted me and said that should we go there since we have been called for a particular meeting. And he said, I sent them there. And once they were there, they were told that there's no meeting going to happen. It's been a fiasco. It's been discussed yesterday as well. You had the Congress party that came out very clearly and apologized for it. We didn't hear from the Congress General Secretary himself, but there were enough. And in fact, the person who was seen as the one who had organized this meeting, Congress MP P.T. Thomas, he came out and apologized for what he called a miscommunication. But Anna Hazare is not looking at it as purely miscommunication. He's taken it as an affront. He's very upset about it, and he's making sure he's showing his upset.
Well, Mahrukh, stay with us. Jagori Dhar now also on the phone line. Jagori, Anna, very careful with picking his battles. This one involves people from his own village, Ralegaon Siddhi, where most of his social work has taken place over the last many years. He's taken this one personally, isn't it?
Absolutely. Anna Hazare taking this snub by Rahul Gandhi very personally. Now, in this open letter that he's written today, he clearly mentions that when the villagers, the village head met him, that there was an appointment with Rahul Gandhi, which was arranged by Congress MP P.T. Thomas. He said that they are not going to meet Rahul Gandhi to ask for any favor. In fact, they were only going to discuss with him the kind of development that has taken place in Ralegaon Siddhi. Many in that area tout Ralegaon Siddhi as an ideal village. So that was what they thought that was Rahul Gandhi wanted to discuss with the villagers as well as the headman. So that was the reason why Anna Hazare gave them a go-ahead in the first place. But after this snub, Anna Hazare taking it very personally, even going on to say that people in Ralegaon Siddhi never cozy up to politicians. They never go to them for any favors.